Exploring the Wilderness City Park. Embark on an adventurous journey through the wilderness of City Park, where you'll encounter a variety of plants, flowers, and animals. Discover hidden sitting tables and immerse yourself in the beauty of this amazing place. Unveiling the hidden gems of City Park. City Park is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the city, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. As you enter the park, you are greeted by a lush landscape teeming with vibrant plants and flowers. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, creating a tranquil atmosphere that instantly puts you at ease. As you wander through the winding paths of City Park, you'll come across a variety of sitting tables strategically placed in secluded spots, offering the perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're looking to enjoy a quiet moment alone or gather with friends for a picnic, these sitting tables provide the ideal setting for a peaceful retreat in nature. A symphony of colors and scents. One of the highlights of City Park is its stunning array of plants and flowers that paint the landscape in a vibrant tapestry of colors. From delicate roses to exotic orchids, the park is a botanical paradise that showcases the beauty of nature in all its glory. As you meander through the park, you'll be treated to a sensory feast of fragrant blooms and lush greenery that invigorate the soul. The sight of a picture of animals frolicking among the flowers adds an element of whimsy to the park, reminding visitors of the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply a nature enthusiast, the diverse plant life in City Park is sure to captivate your senses and leave you in awe of the wonders of the natural world. Discovering hidden treasures. City Park is not just a place of beauty, but also a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. As you explore the park, keep an eye out for hidden sitting tables tucked away in secluded corners, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. These hidden spots provide the perfect opportunity to unwind and connect with nature in a serene setting. In addition to the sitting tables, City Park is also home to a variety of unique features that add to its charm and allure. From whimsical sculptures to tranquil ponds, each corner of the park holds a surprise waiting to be uncovered. Take your time to wander off the beaten path and explore the park's hidden treasures, and you may just stumble upon a secret oasis that will leave you breathless with wonder. Embracing the magic of nature. City Park is a place where the magic of nature comes alive, enchanting visitors with its beauty and tranquility. The park's lush greenery and vibrant blooms create a sense of wonder and awe, transporting you to a world where time stands still and worries fade away. As you immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of the park, you'll feel a deep connection to the natural world that surrounds you. The park's serene atmosphere is the perfect backdrop for moments of reflection and contemplation, allowing you to escape the chaos of everyday life and find peace in the embrace of nature. Whether you're seeking solace in solitude or looking to connect with loved ones in a tranquil setting, City Park offers a sanctuary where you can recharge and rejuvenate your spirit. Capturing memories in City Park. City Park is a place of beauty and wonder, where every corner holds a new discovery waiting to be made. As you explore the park, be sure to bring your camera along to capture the magic of this amazing place. From stunning landscapes to close-up shots of colorful flowers, there are endless opportunities to snap breathtaking photos that will serve as lasting mementos of your visit. Don't forget to take a picture of animals that call City Park home, from playful squirrels to graceful birds, as they add a touch of whimsy to the park's natural charm. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or simply a casual snap-happy visitor, City Park provides the perfect backdrop for capturing memories that will last a lifetime. A haven for nature lovers. For nature lovers, City Park is a paradise that offers a sanctuary where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. The park's diverse plant life and thriving ecosystem provide a haven for wildlife, creating a harmonious environment where humans and animals coexist in perfect balance. As you explore the park, you'll encounter a variety of creatures, from colorful butterflies to chirping birds, that add to the park's vibrant tapestry of life. In addition to its rich biodiversity, City Park also serves as a vital green space that helps to preserve and protect the environment. The park's lush vegetation acts as a natural filter, purifying the air and providing a habitat for a wide range of plant and animal species. By visiting City Park, you're not only immersing yourself in nature's beauty but also contributing to the conservation of our precious natural resources. The tranquil oasis of City Park. City Park is a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city, offering a peaceful retreat where you can escape the chaos of urban life and reconnect with nature. The park's serene atmosphere and lush greenery create a sense of calm and tranquility that envelops you as soon as you step foot inside. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll in nature, City Park provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. As you wander through the park, take a moment to sit at one of the many sitting tables scattered throughout the grounds and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're seeking solitude or looking to connect with loved ones in a peaceful setting, these sitting tables offer a place to pause and reflect, allowing you to fully appreciate the magic of City Park. The enchantment of City Park. City Park is a place of enchantment, where the beauty of nature unfolds in all its glory, captivating visitors with its charm and allure. From the vibrant colors of blooming flowers to the melodious songs of birds, the park is a symphony of sights and sounds that transport you to a world of wonder and magic. As you explore the park, you'll be swept away by the enchanting beauty that surrounds you, leaving you spellbound by the park's natural splendor. The park's enchanting atmosphere is a testament to the power of nature to inspire and uplift the human spirit, offering a sanctuary where you can escape the stresses of everyday life and find solace in the embrace of the natural world. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply looking to bask in the beauty of your surroundings, City Park is a place where dreams come alive and memories are made. Conclusion. City Park is truly an amazing place that offers a wealth of natural beauty and tranquility for visitors to enjoy. From its lush plant life and vibrant flowers to its hidden sitting tables and playful animals, the park is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're looking to unwind in a peaceful setting or capture memories of your visit, City Park provides the perfect backdrop for a day of exploration and discovery. So pack your camera, lace up your hiking boots, and embark on an adventure through the wilderness of City Park, where the wonders of nature await at every turn.